Well, hello, it's your old mate Dave Spencer back with you again and with another dip into our archives. This time we'll be looking at London Transport's Daimler Fleetlines, or the DMS class, and one that evokes mixed memories. Perhaps it was the right bus at the wrong time or the wrong bus at the wrong time. And well, one thing was for sure. By the time they'd had their relatively short working life in London, they found favour all over the place. And I even include clips I took in mainland China, in Guangzhou, back in 1990. They also served in Hong Kong, and we see them there, plus all around England. And there are many, many more places if I wanted to trawl through forever. This forms part of our relatively infrequent bus mark series, started decades ago. We haven't got that far, have we? Anyway, I hope you look back with some fondness on the scenes, drawn from all sorts of media, from cine cameras and early videos. So quite a motley collection of shots, really, stitched together by my good self. And indeed, as we always see, you will see what you will see. And I know what you see because I put it together. Enjoy, and I'll catch up with you later. Bye for now. Well, hello, it's your old mate Dave Spencer back with you again. Well, how was that for you? Did you enjoy it? Did you admire the Daimler Fleetline, the Daimler DMSs, DMs as well? Well, whether you did or you didn't, I hope it's been a fruitful journey and perhaps brought back some memories. As we usually say on these occasions, yes, it's bye for now. Stay well, stay safe, and God willing, we're all going to meet up again for another one of our transport adventures in the not too distant future. So, from me, for now, bye bye everybody.